Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami dog face. So you're going to start off with a square piece of paper and you're going to take one tip and you're going to fold it to this tip to create a diagonal fold. And you will crease well. Now you will take this top part and both of the flaps, not just one, and you're going to fold it in a little bit. And you're going to take this flap and you're going to fold it like this. So you want some of it to come out like that, and you want to leave some spot in the center so the face's head stays there. So you're going to do that with this side as well, and you will crease well. Now you will make some eyes and noses and patches on your dog so it looks real. Now that you've made eyes and noses, you're going to take these ears and you're going to make them look less pointy. So you're going to take it and you're going to squeeze this in and you're going to fold it. So this will now look less pointy and more flat. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Like this. Now your dog face is ready. Here are your dog faces. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.